माननीय सदस्य श्री कल्याण बनर्जी जी, माननीय सदस्य श्री कल्याण बनर्जी जी।
Madam, this discussion on this budget regarding Manipur should have discussed more 20 months ago. Madam, we went to Manipur 1 year, 6 months back, and we came back to the house and we have said that point of time that this is the condition of the Manipur was that Article 356 should have been imposed. But that time 356 was not imposed. Now 356 has been imposed. Now as a result thereof at Manipur, how many persons have died? Sir, it is also reported over 5,000 injured and 32 missing. 4,076 houses were burnt and 386 religious structures were vandalized, including temples and churches. Since the violence of Manipur has been divided into two camps, with Meiteis inhabiting the Imphal Valley and the Kukis living in the surrounding hill areas. Out of 243 violence reported from northeast states in 2023, 187 were Manipur. Manipur has suffered more than any state due to the recent inflation and economic woes in the country, and there was no action from the center for restoration of peace and for dialogue to help the displaced return to their homes. They are taking about the development of the Northeast, but have the Prime Minister, the Honorable Prime Minister, went to the Manipur at least last 1 year, 6 months back. The Manipur situation should not have been arisen. It is unfortunate that although repeatedly we have said the Honorable Prime Minister should go to the Manipur and visualize the position, but unfortunately at 5 minutes time has not been allocated by the Honorable Prime Minister for going into the Manipur itself. Now the question is, Madam, थोड़ा टाइम तो दीजिए, ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं? Sir, we have the copy of the proposed rupees. Now, in such a situation, how much money has been allocated to Manipur? Rupees 15 crore has been provided for temporary shelter, 35 crores towards housing and displaced people, 100 crore for relief operation, and 7 crore for compensation. Such a little amount, how can it help the Manipur people to develop? How the Manipur will be developed with this little amount itself? Madam, Manipur population, who are mostly affected in the Manipur population, scheduled population 25, scheduled tribe is 40.9%. In Manipur, Madam, 40.9%, scheduled tribe, scheduled caste is 3.41%. Meitei, 41.39%. Meitei Pagans, Muslim 41.29%. Kuki Chain Mizo 8.40%. Other religion 8.19%. By reason of this violence, who has suffered? Scheduled tribe peoples have been suffered. Scheduled caste people have been suffered. Poor peoples have been suffered. Thousands and thousands of Romans have been raped at Manipur. Manipur has not got the justice from the Honorable Prime Minister. Manipur needs the justice. Manipur justice has to be given. This is not the way. 356 ought to have imposed, and immediately elections should be held for the Manipur itself.